For whom I am going to call?
Here only.
He will come if he has to come.
Here only.
You inform him, he will come. Once class will start, he will come. This file is created. Yes. Now look here. A ray diagram of refraction through prism is shown. Everybody please join the class. Inform in the group link I have shared. Everybody please join the class as fast as possible. Sanjay, inform in the group to Sanjay, Sneha, inform in the group to join as fast as possible, beta. Sanjay, inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Okay. You see in the group to join as fast as possible. Satya, good evening. Now look here, beta. This morning we have studied about lens prism. Now in this section, what actually they are asking is a ray diagram of refraction through prism is shown. Locate the angle of prism and angle of deviation. So angle of prism. Which one is angle of prism and angle of deviation? Very well we know that what is exactly the part of angle of prism and angle of deviation. Come on, go for it. How many of you are present? See, start answering the question. Angle of prism and angle of deviation, beta. Start doing it. Check this part out. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Where is angle of prism and angle of deviation? Everyone check this one out. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. I'm giving you sufficient time. Check if people are live or not and come on, start doing the work. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Good evening, Vishwa. Come on, start answering the question, beta. How much questions we will solve, that much perfection you will be getting. So angle of prism and angle of deviation we will do. Yes, good evening, beta. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. Where is angle of prism and where is angle of deviation? Let's check this one out. So if somebody will be asking you, see, some people are telling B as the answer and some people are telling C as the answer. Now look here. This is exactly considered as angle of prism. Okay. And where is the angle of deviation? See, the light ray was supposed to go like this, but it got deviated like this. It is supposed to go like this, but it got deviated in this part. And then it is coming out. So it is supposed to, in the back side, it is meeting at this point. So this will become deviation angle. So this is angle 9 and angle 1. So angle 1 and angle 9, C is the correct answer. Those who have given C as the correct answer, you are absolutely correct. So C is the correct answer. Angle C is supposed to be the correct answer. Let's see. Go for the next question. Question number 2. Prism is a homogeneous transparent medium consisting of two rectangles and three triangle faces. Is it a true statement or a wrong statement? See, these many students are there. They are not joining the sessions. Like, I am really feeling very anger. Joshua and all, I am never seeing them attending the classes. Complete waste. What is the correct answer? This is the true statement or false statement. Just today itself, we have learned that three rectangles will be there and two triangles will be there. So since three rectangles and two triangles are there, we are going to solve. The correct answer is coming as Yes, the correct answer is coming as B, false. Now shall we go for the third one, third answer? Come on, check for the third part. Everybody start answering the question. In given figure, a light ray AB is incident normally on one face PQ. In given figure, a light ray AB is incident normally on one face PQ. Okay, and then what it is given of an equilateral triangle prism. Find out the angle at face PR. So at face PR, what will be the angle? Come on, go for it. Come on, children, fast, you have to answer the questions. You need to start answering the questions as fast as possible. So, very good. Sanjay has given answer as A. See, in given figure, the light ray AB is incident normally on face PQ. On face PQ, it is incident normally AB. Equilateral triangle, angle is 60 degrees. So, all angle is coming as 60 degree. Now, find out the angle at face PR. So, definitely, if it is exactly coming, making some angles like this, so what can be the angle? Angle of incidence, angle of emergence, what can be the angle? Come on, say everybody. Jotam, you are late. He went to call you, but you didn't came. So what will be the angle? What will be the angle? Everybody, why it will be 60 degree? My question to everybody is why it will be 60 degree? What is the reason behind it will be 60 degree? Randomly we cannot say it is going to be 60 degree, but what is the reason behind it is going to be called as 60 degree? Because it is normal and that angle is making how much degree? 90 degree, correct now? 90 degree or 0 degree? Come on, say everyone. How it is going to be 60 degree? You people have to answer this question. Angle of incidence is exactly coming as how much? See, one simple concept they have given. Given figure, a light ray AB is incident normally on face PQ. So it is normal. So if it is 90 degree, if it is normal and it is making 90 degree, that means it will strike this region normally only. Correct? So this will be also making 90 degree. Correct? So if it is making 90 degree, then here another normal will be generated. Correct? Now this normal will be exactly what? So here refraction angle, incident angle is equal to 0. Incident angle is equal to 0. Refraction angle is also coming as 0. Understood? Both the angles are coming as 0. Incident angle, refraction angle, both are exactly coming as 0 here. And angle of the prism is exactly taken as 60 degree. Correct? There is one formula. That one formula is कि when angle of the prism will be equal to R1 plus R2. You need to remember this one. Angle of prism is equal to R1 plus R2. So refracted angle will be there. So angle of prism is 60 degree, refraction angle is 0 plus R2. So R2 is equal to 60 degree. So here whatever angle will be forming, it will come out with 60 degree. It will come out with, this is not because of equilateral triangle, please. It is not because of equilateral triangle. It is because the rays are exactly making 90 degree. So here if it is 90 degree, that means incident angle and refracted angle is same. And incident angle and refracted angle is coming as 0. Understood? So only, and this formula is most important. Angle of incidence is equal to R1 with prism angle. Angle of incidence prism angle A is coming as 60 degree. So if prism angle A is coming as 60 degree, the formula is prism angle is equal to R1 plus R2. Yes, absolutely correct. That time angle will be coming as 60 degree. That time angle will be coming as 60 degree. There is no doubt about it. That time angle will be coming as 60 degree. That time angle will be coming as 60 degree. So since the angle is coming as 60 degree, so again the answer will be coming as 60 degree. Understood or not? So it is coming as 60 degree. Now shall we go for this question? Please kindly read the question part. First part of the question is a prism ABC with BC as base. So a prism is there ABC with BC as base.
The field is given.
I'll check. Placed in different orientation, a narrow beam of white light is incident of the prism as shown in the figure. In which of the following cases after dispersal the third color from the top corresponds to color of sky? Third color from the top corresponds to color of sky. This is a very important question. Please kindly don't leave this question.
Yeah.
Okay. How many of you are saying it will be A? The third color should be color of sky. The third color should be color of sky. Now look here. Everyone, please focus in this. VIBGYOR. The third color is here yellow. Then how can you say A as the answer? The third color, Vibjor is from back only, na?
The back one is blue is third.
The third color from the top they are asking. You are checking from the back. In exam, do the same mistake, everyone. Where and all people start first giving attendance. Give attendance, everyone. Hello? I'm in live class. I called you so many times. The phone was busy. Okay. I'll call you. Start giving attendance, everyone. What is the correct answer? Now from here you see. This part it is coming. So when this will be coming, you people have to see one thing. So here first part will become violet. VIBGYOR. B is coming third. Here it will not come because the inversion will not be there. Here again inversion will not be there. So the correct answer will be in inverted position. This will be the correct answer. Understood now? So now look here. This is exactly the third position is coming as B, 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 B. Understood? So now we will go for the next question and your time starts now. Splitting of white light into 7 color on passing through a glass prism is due to, see, nothing will disturb you. Nothing will disturb you. When these type of things will come, now that is more disturbing and that is more, see, I am telling everybody again and again, don't take a rash decision. Very cool mind try to solve. Draw and check. Everybody listen me carefully. Draw and check. If it is little tilted also, B will go down. If it is little tilted also, at the time when the light ray will go like this, then only B will come first. B will be coming first. Now look here, what it is called as. Did you understood? When light is entering like this, listen. When light is entering like this, then B will not be in third position. When light will be entering in all these angles, B will not be in third position. When it will be opposite inverted, then only it will be. Now look here. First splitting of white light into 7 color on passing through a glass prism is due to this person, and the correct answer is this person. Come on, go for it. The color of white light deviated through the largest angle by prism. The color of white light deviated through largest angle by the prism is red, violet, green and yellow. Whatever color you are thinking, that color is going to be the correct answer. What is the answer here? Aye. Deviation is more for which angle? Hey, everybody go and sleep. You people are not ready to study. But morning, evening class I have taken before examination. Don't do like this type of mistakes. Everyone, first listen question carefully. What they are telling. The color of the white light deviated through the largest angle by the prism. Which is deviated more? Violet is deviated more. Red deviation is less. Only you people said correct. Rest all are writing red. All are writing red. I don't know what. All are writing. I don't know for what we people are writing red. And for what you people are writing red. The correct answer is violet. The correct answer is violet. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the propagation of light of different color of white in air? Red light moves fastest. Blue light moves faster than green light. All the color of the white light move in the same speed. Wrong. Yellow light moves with the mean speed as that of red and violet. So you need to understand how to answer this question. First one, don't go for unwanted explanation and check that part. So here first we go for it. VIB GYOR. R wavelength maximum, speed maximum. So red light moves fastest. This is a correct statement. Blue light moves faster than green. Blue light moves slower than green. So false. All the color of white, this is false. Yellow light moves with the mean speed as that of red and violet. Red and violet middle is not yellow, it is green. Understood? So all the statements are wrong, only A is correct. You need to solve like this. Everybody check you people are online or not. Check all of you. Go for when white light is incident on thin walled hollow glass prism, the color of the emergent light will be. When white light is incident on a thin walled hollow glass prism, thin walled hollow glass prism. But think nicely. See, we need to understand when white light is incident on a thin walled hollow glass prism, the color emergent light will be which color it is going to. See, you need to understand that all the color of the prism is inside hollow, it will move with the same speed and frequency. Now, what color will come out? Understood. Same speed it will move. A, Paityam. It will move with same speed, but frequency and wavelength will be different. Understood. So in hollow part also, if it will move with same speed, but frequency and wavelength will be different. So what can be the correct answer here? What can be the answer here? White, absolutely correct. The correct answer will be white only. Understood? Because speed is same, wavelength and frequency different, but speed is exactly same. Understood? Now here, to recombine the spectrum to obtain white light, the dispersive prism and recombination film should be in the same position. Should be in the same position. Is it a true false statement or a false statement? It is 100% going to be a false statement. Very good. Which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of rainbow? Reflection, refraction, dispersion, refraction, dispersion, outer reflection, refraction, dispersion, internal reflection, dispersion, scattering, and total internal reflection. Wow, this is seriously a very important question. Question number you put and then you give. Thank you for liking the class, but you should be writing as fast as possible. Very good. What is the correct answer is first refraction. Once the light will go inside, dispersion. After dispersion, internal reflection. Understood? Just a few minutes back we have discussed about it. Absolutely. The correct answer here is C. Now here we are going to go for question number this one. First you read out the question very carefully. Read out the question very carefully. Topic by topic in physics we are going to do. Night and day, morning is not important. Study and finishing topic is important. Light rays are deviated by a prism. Okay, good. The deviation angle D is measured for light ray of different frequency including blue light, red light. Which graph is correct? Wow, this is seriously an insane question.
Please angle of deviation.
Yeah, which one is going to correct? About frequency they are asking. Can you check deviation and frequency? Think about deviation and frequency. Super. Very good. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Himanshu. So now look at deviation and frequency. Come on, come on, come on, go for it. Huh? B. C. Only one person has said C as answer. The correct answer for this question is everybody, all the idiots, listen very nicely. This is deviation and this is frequency. When deviation will be more, frequency will be more. Understood? So here, first is red color. Red color deviation more, frequency less? No. Blue color deviation more, red color deviation more, frequency more and then it is coming down? No. Blue color deviation, first blue color deviation is more and then red color. So blue color deviation is less, red color deviation is more. No. When we talk about VIB, GYOR, so red color is having minimum deviation. So here deviation is minimum for red. Frequency also is less for red. But when you go blue, deviation is more. And frequency also for blue is more. The correct graph is D. This is a way to point out and find the value before examination. You people are now making me very tensed.
Ma'am, deviation is more in red.
Deviation is least, wavelength is most, speed is maximum. So only if deviation is less, so only it is moving fast. Deviation is more. Everyone very carefully do it.
And frequency will be less for red.
Yes, frequency will be less for red. Wavelength is more for red. Understood? If wavelength might have been written, everything might have been wrong or changed. I hope everybody understood. Come on, go for it nicely.
The deviation is directly proportional to frequency.
Yes, more frequency, more deviation. More frequency, more deviation. Come on, go for it. Twinkling of star is due to atmospheric refraction of light by different layer of various refractive indices, scattering of light by dust particle, internal reflection of light by cloud, dispersion of light by water droplet. What is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. There is no other answer options left. What is the B answer? Refraction of light by different layer of varying refractive indices. So now we will go for the next question. I think we have done this part now. Okay. We are going to go for question number 11 done, 12 done, 13. Is it really true or a myth that stars appear higher than they actually are? If yes, then which phenomenon is responsible for it? It's a myth. Yes, refraction of light, atmospheric refraction of light. Yes, dispersion of light. If this question PMs you people will not give, seriously, I punch you all. Yes, absolute. The first person has given the correct answer is Yashwit. After that, Mahalakshmi has given the correct answer. Then Sneha and here both the children have given the correct answer. So here the correct answer is yes, atmospheric reflection. So they are quite high, but because of bending it is looking lower. Which phenomenon is depicted in the diagram given below? What is the phenomenon? Morning itself we have talked early sunrise and late sunset, change in shape of sun during sunrise and noon, both A and B, and at noon, change in shape of sun during sunrise and that of noon. See, this options has made it very drastic because after that option, it is going to be very, see, many students here will do mistake. I know that many of you, after getting this type of options, will do mistake. Early sunset, early sunrise, and delayed sunset is the correct answer. Change in shape of sun during sunrise and at noon is not true. Understood? So only A is the correct answer. Don't fall for flattery, please. Star near the horizon twinkle more than those that are overhead. Wow, this has to be checked. Okay, I got your answers. Let's see what they are saying.
Say partial to partial current.
Sixteenth answer, many people they are telling. 15th answer, many people they are telling. What is the answer according to you? Star near the horizon twinkle more than those that are overhead. The correct answer is A. Understood. The correct answer is A and take it positively. The correct answer is A. And this is exactly the truth. The correct answer is A. Near horizon, they twinkle more children. Understood. So now we are going to go for the next question, please. At noon, the sun appears white as its light is least scattered. All the color of the white light are scattered away. Blue color is scattered the most. Red color is scattered the most. These two you eat. Between A and B, give me the correct answer. What is going to be the correct answer? Its light is least scattered. All the color of the white light are scattered away. No, the correct answer is its light is least scattered. Absolute. Now its light is least scattered. 16th A is the correct answer. We will go for 17. Emergency signal and danger signal are red because red can travel long distance without being scattered. That means its wavelength is maximum and the correct answer is true. How was the session, children? Did you enjoy it? Now look here. Just in between I am asking. Now look here. Seriously started watching. Okay, fine. This is the idiot thing. Now, the clear sky appear blue because blue light gets absorbed in the atmosphere. Ultraviolet radiation are absorbed in the atmosphere. Violet and blue light get scattered more than light of all other color in the atmosphere. Light of all other colors is scattered more than the violet and blue color light in the atmosphere. This is seriously a very good question. Let's see how many people are giving the answer. The correct answer here is C. That is, violet and blue light get scattered more than light of all other color by the atmosphere. Understood? So because of that only, C is going to be the correct answer. Come on, match this one and say the answer.
C, ma'am.
The first answer is given. The first answer is given by here, but their first answer is given by Mahalakshmi. Then Sneha, Ilavarsan, Sophia. Okay. Hi, Himanshu. Now look at focus करो पहले question में. Twinkling of star, atmospheric reflection. Rainbow formation, glittering of diamond. Hey bhai, what is the answer? Glittering of diamond. Glittering of diamond. Glittering of diamond will be what for what? Hey, glittering of diamond will be what? Internal reflection. I am asking from you 4 times I asked. Glittering of internal reflection. Tinkling of stars, this one A. So first answer is coming as R. Here all are wrong, here all are wrong. Here it's done. So here after that this part D is equal to Q. 2 part are correct. Now B part is coming as P, dispersion, and C part is coming as S, white color dispersed scattering. Understood now? Go for 28th question and your time starts now. 20 and 21, do it as fast as possible. What is the correct answer for this question? Come on, say children. Bluish color of water in deep sea is the orange reddish appearance of sun during sunshine is due to scattering of light, total internal reflection of light. See, all colors scattered away, only red will be left. So what is the correct answer? It is due to the scattering of light. All the color will scattered away, only red color will be left. Because of that only it is visible. So this is the correct answer. Absolute. Now 21 many started answering 21st question. What was 21st question? Let's check this one out. So 21st answer, the bluish color of water in deep sea is due to scattering of light. Absolute, super, fabulous performance. Now this is what I believe people are doing is correct. Now I'll go for the next question. Your time starts now. The color of headlight suitable for vehicle in foggy weather is? What should be the color? Foggy weather. Why not red? But here many people are telling green color. No, no, no. They are telling, sorry, A, they are telling yellow color, some are telling red color.
Yellow. Because I have seen only yellow.
See, it will be yellow only. In foggy color, that's the yellow will be definitely it is going to cut. So definitely yellow part will be there. To observe Tyndall effect, the size of scattered must be smaller than the wavelength of light. Is this true or false? Yes. Is this true? To observe Tyndall effect, the size of scatterer must be smaller than the wavelength of light. No. The size of scatterer must be greater than the wavelength of light. Then only it will scatter. So this statement is B, false. This statement is B. This is not true. See, what they are telling that the scatterer must be bigger. No, the scatterer is smaller. Thank you so much, children, for giving such a nice Content. Now please go for it. The sky appeared dark to passengers flying at a very high altitude, mainly because of CBSE 2020 question. Can you see that? It is because of scattering of light is not enough at such height. There is no atmosphere at greater height. The size of molecule is smaller than the wavelength of visible light. The light gets scattered towards the earth. This is what is exactly the biggest problem. And most of the people, I'm just wishing that you should be giving the correct answer. Many people are giving 24th answer. Let's see. That's what in CBSE you people are going to do. I told you that time itself I have discussed. See here, scattering of light is not enough at that height. Bhai, how scattering is possible? Scattering is not at all possible because there is no atmosphere at great heights.
Not the oxygen, ma'am.
No, so only you are carrying oxygen cylinders. At that altitude, you can't be. So answer is
Then
A.
astronauts will come.
Sorry, answer is B. There is no atmosphere at greater height. So only.
Ma'am, the astronauts will come, ma'am, not passengers.
Passengers are astronauts only.
Ma'am, the bus passenger.
I hope everybody might have got. I rest my case. This is B. So only these type sessions are very, very important. This is CBSE 2020 question. If by in case mistake also they will repeat the question, means you people with scattering of light is not enough at that height. Hey bhai, why it is not enough? Because atmosphere is not there. Understood? So the main culprit is atmosphere at that height. So you should not blame this one. First is B. Come on, go for question, assertion, reason. And your first question goes like this. Come on, children, you can do it. Higher the refractive index of prism, lower will be the angle of deviation. Hey bhai, who is going to give the correct answer for 25th?
Jota.
Everybody first think nicely. The first answer, I'm waiting for Yashvit answer because I know 1-2% can only be giving this answer perfectly. So now look here. Everybody is wrong, only one person is correct.
Jota.
You say which option?
Jota.
The correct answer is given by Mahalakshmi and the option is D. Why? Because there is a single phenomenon I taught in the class, you people forgot that. Shame on you people. Look at. See, higher the refractive index of prism, lower will be the angle of deviation. No, bhai. Refractive index higher means deviation will be more na, because the speed will become very less because optical density is high. This is the phenomenon I taught. Given optical density will be high, refractive index will be more, deviation will be more, speed will be less. So here this option is assertion is wrong. Come on, note down here. Now the angle of deviation is inversely proportional to angle of prism. This is correct only. Angle of deviation is inversely proportional to angle of prism is a true statement. But what about this one? This is wrong. Higher the refractive index, lower is the angle of deviation. Higher is the angle of deviation. Note down all this truth. Otherwise in examination you will kill everybody along with yourself. Go with question number 26. Come on, this time give the correct answer. Refraction of white light through prism gives rise to dispersion.
True.
True. Okay. Alright, Jotam, wake up. Reason read it.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
That time you were thinking something. Paityo.
Yeah, ma'am.
Come on, children, you can do it. Thank you for liking the class. Thank you for being so active in this much time hour. So, what is the correct answer? I think this time people very calculative giving the answer because they know that this session is not so easy. Best answer, very good. This time all of you compiled the answer together and given the correct answer. Super. So starting from B, the correct answer is actually B. Why? because this is a separate statement. Yes, but that part is different. This part is different. We can't merge them together. What is this section asking? Refraction of white light through prism give rise to dispersion. That's a true statement. And here, this is exactly both the refracting surface of glass slab are parallel to each other. Correct. But in prism, they are inclined with an angle. So that is statement, but they are not imparting any information with each other. So the correct option is B. Now go for the second answer. The rainbow is seen when the sun is behind the observer. Maybe true. Rainbow is produced due to dispersion of white light by small raindrop hanging in the air after rain. This one is correct or which one is correct?
A is correct.
Yes, yes, yes. All of you are wrong.
B correct, man. A is
No.
Then option B, man. A is what five.
That's why I'm keeping this session for you people, because before examination we are going to dwell out all the important content. Remember this part. Everybody, hey, listen. The rainbow is seen when the sun is behind the observer. This is assertion. The rainbow is seen when the sun is behind the observer. It's a true statement. It's not wrong. But a reason should answer why it is behind. What is assertion? Reason should back support assertion.
Option B, ma'am.
You are first understand both the statements are true. Blindly don't say that A is the answer.
Option B or B.
Yes, B is the correct answer. The correct answer here is B. First, it should back support. This is true, but this is not explaining A. That's the most important part. You please remember. Here, rainbow is produced due to dispersion of white light by small. This is a statement. This is also a statement, but this statement should back support this one. They are telling that it is in the back because when we will be back, then only we can receive it now. Otherwise, we will not be able to receive it. So this is our statement. If reason might have told like that, then it could have been A. Nice, Govinda, you people will definitely be doing something very big.
Option B, ma'am.
Now go for question number 28.
Option B. B.
So here two Pythiums are there, they are telling option B. But many people online, they are telling option C. So let's see between B and C, where is everyone? Come on. Right or wrong, start answering.
Option B, ma'am.
29. The star twinkle while the planet do not. True statement. Assertion is true. The stars are much bigger size than the planets. This is also true.
But not supporting.
They both are not supporting. The correct answer is B. In Pythiums. Why C will be the correct answer? Yeah. Reason is not correct. Reason is not wrong. The stars are much bigger than that of planets. It's a true statement. It is twinkling while the planet do not. This is also statement. And they both are true statement. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer here is B. Now goes to ninth question. Blue color of the sky appear due to scattering of blue color. Understood? Blue color is getting scattered, because of that it is visible. Blue color has shortest wavelength in visible spectrum, and that is a true support for A. So answer will become here A. Shortest spectrum is the biggest answer there for supporting the question. You people in last moment, if you will not listen. How is the session, children? Star are point size, but the real size of star is bigger than that of planet. Point size, it is looking point size for you. This is exactly the trap for all of you. The stars are point size, but actually they are not point size. Are you understanding? The stars are point size from Earth, but are they actually point size? No, they are not point size. They are much bigger than that of any planet. Understood? So fact you have to gather. Presence of mind has to be there. And this is your next question. So the case studies we are going to prism every section before examination. I will do dissections and videos will be present with you. so that before exam you will not do any wrong steps. Are you all ready for it? Come on, go for the case studies, children. There will be 4 case studies today now. After that 4 case studies only you can go firstly. Understood? Till then you can't go first. So here we will check 1 to 5 questions we have to answer. Already we are knowing all this big picture. After tracing the path of light ray, this, the story these are everybody knows. So these are actually we have already done this part. Observe the table. Now we have to start answering the question. Number of observations. See here, the observation is very calculative and you need to check this one very, very nicely. Now the first part is number of observation. Angle of incidence 30 degree. Angle of emergence 60 degree. Angle of deviation 30 degree. You see all the values are written. But the first question what they are telling that from the given ray diagram, the ray that represents by the PQ. Second, first one is PQ and then QM respectively. PQ and QM.
Incident ray and refractor ray.
PQ and last part was QM or something was there. Here, yeah, PQ and QM, this part. So one will be incident, another one will be emergent. Let's say PQ is 100% that one. Understood now? Now last part is PQ and what they are asked? PQ and QM. Definitely, one is incident, another one is refracted ray. One is incident. This one which is going in south will become incident, PQ. And QM will be refracted ray. Correct only? So option C will become the correct answer. Come on, go for the second question, children. What is the second question answer? The phenomenon associated with splitting of white light into band of 7 color is called as. Anybody has to wait for this question? I'm waiting on. They are not answering. All the students now, I think they became very tired, not answering question. Hey, I don't know. Say correctly.
Dispersion of light.
3A answer is the correct answer. Come on, children. Start. Check you are live or not and start doing that work. Now, third one answer is very important. I will give this answer. Select the correct option for following based on analysis of measurement. For analysis of measurement, you will see one thing. Table, if you will see, you will come to know. Here, angle, but one thing is there. Now, they are asking angle of this incidence and deviation, emergence and A. But they have given here only 3 angles now. 4 angles will be needed. Understood not? So here one simple formula I am going to tell you. That formula is going to work. How many of you are saying? Elaboration, tell me the answer. You are telling this answer is going to be correct. See, the correct answer will be A plus D. Angle of prism plus angle of deviation is equal to angle of incidence plus angle of emergence. Note down this formula. By mistake also if they will give means you will be the first one who can answer this question. What is the correct answer, Jotham? The correct answer here is A plus D is equal to I plus E. This formula don't forget. 2 formulas I have given. Angle of prism is equal to R1 plus R2. This is one formula and this is the another formula. Remember these 2 formulas. By mistake also they are giving this. We must be the one who can answer the question. I hope everybody understood this. Are you all ready for the next question, please? Children, come on, get ready. If you want this, I will close this session. Who will win loss? You will win loss. Now, come on. Which of the following is the correct setup for the glass lens for measuring the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence will be measured correctly in which one? Come on, from there you can see people. For me, it is light blur, but angle of incidence will be measured perfectly in which one? Angle is different angle is given. You check very nicely. Very good.
Option E.
See, I can't see from this much near. I have to go back. A will not be the correct answer. A will not be the correct answer. Because the rays are exactly no. B will also be not the correct answer.
C, ma'am.
Because it is not making 180 degree.
Ah,
See,
D,
D is the correct answer now. See how D will be the correct answer. Small mistake don't do, you people. You are telling A and B, they will not be the correct answer. The light ray is supposed to go straight. So it is supposed to make 180 degree.
Ma'am, it's not making.
And then this is exactly going to be the prism. But here after that it will get deviated. Are you understanding? So this will become I, the angle. But here this ray is going, but here this angle is made. So this is not true. This ray is going, but this is written. That is also not true. This ray is going, and half it is shown. This is included, which is not true. The included line will be this. Very safely do all these questions. So only I am discussing single side. When you will be having problem, prism part 1, prism part 2, you study, revise, and then go for writing exam. Now go for this question number 5, children. Come on, go for it. Yashvit, where are you? Why? Where are the rest of the students? All of the above. Angle of deviation depends upon refractive index, angle of incidence, angle of emergence, and all the above. So the correct answer in fifth one will be yes, absolute. This you don't have to wait for. The correct answer is coming as D. Absolutely correct. We are ready for the next. We are ready for the next one, and your time starts now. Isaac Newton has told about this one that the phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent color when passes through a prism is called as dispersion. Understood? So after dispersion, the band of 7 colors so obtained is visual. This part is called. So Isaac Newton was the first who has used glass film to obtain the spectrum part. Now your question starts now. Come on, go for it, children. Where are you, Yashwet?
D, ma'am.
Which of the following? First one, the splitting of white light can be done lens, prism, water drop, both B and C. Lens will not split. What is the correct answer? Prism can also split. And which is the next one? Water droplet also. We have seen this person is there now. So definitely B and C will be the correct answer. So B and C means both. D is the correct option. Now come on, children, go for question number B. Which of the following diagrams shows dispersion correctly? Red color, blue color after that. Blue color, yellow color after that. This is not correct. Blue color, red color after that. Not correct. Blue color, green color after that. First will come B, I, B. After G will come. So definitely this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. The correct answer is A. What is the correct answer? Okay, one person is asking, ma'am, can I go and sleep? Last 2 questions, we'll go for it after that. Just not 10 o'clock is also not there, yeah.
B, ma'am.
Now here, when a red light passes through a prism, red light passes, it will not split into 7 colors, split into white colors, split into many different colors. What can be the answer of this question?
B.
Split into 7 colors. Red color will not split into 7 colors. It is having its specific color. Red light. So only we are using red now. It will not split. Many people they are telling answer, but the correct answer is it will not split. I think this session we need to remember. Please remember, it is not going to split. Beta. Red colors only we are using red color now in different medium. I hope this video you people one more time revise before examination. Now dispersion of white light. Dispersion of white light by a prism is shown in the diagram below. What should be the position of second prism? So this is the first prism shown. What should be the position of the second prism?
Yeah, ma'am.
One is erect, other should be inverted. Very good. So the answer will be here. Answer will be A. One should be erect, another should be inverted. The correct answer is coming as A, not B. So here fourth answer will be coming as A. Now fifth question answer. A glass slab is placed over a page on which word picture is pinned with each letter in corresponding color. Then which of the following? The image of all the letters will be in the same place as that on paper. Letter P is raised more. Letter R is raised more. None of this. C. Either B and C. Anyone answer will be correct answer.
B, ma'am.
Which one will have more deviation?
B. Violet, ma'am.
Absolute. Now look at it. Understand one thing. The one which will have more deviation will be raised more. Are you understanding? The one which will have more deviation will be raised more. So the correct answer will be violet will be raised more. Understood? Please note down. So only now, how was the session? Did you learn many things here? Correct now? So please remember these two videos. Please first this video to very much important because many of the questions we have done which you people are not doing. I'm seeing many mistakes. Clear cut mistakes I'm seeing from all of you. Did you understood this part? Okay, remaining two case studies. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, I'm going to keep session. Remaining two case studies we are going to do tomorrow morning along with remaining questions. Rest, beta children, tomorrow be present and after that we are going to do lengths and numericals of lengths. So tomorrow session will be very, very important. Be present tomorrow morning. Okay, 6 o'clock. And wake me up by 5 o'clock, start calling me.